Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going back to the Harry Potter Lego set series and building The Rise of Voldermort. It is Lego set 75965 in the series, and not only is this a perfect reenactment from one of the saddest moments of Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, but it also includes a Death Eater, Lord Voldemort himself, he who shall not be named, Lord Voldemort himself, Peter Pettigrew, and Harry Potter. And it also has some awesome spring action that I can't wait to test out and see how it holds up. Alrighty, why say I stop rambling and we go ahead, tear into this box and get started on building our very own Rise of Voldemort Lego set. And after that last Lego click, we have our finished Rise of Voldemort Lego set. A surprisingly enjoyable set considering its small size, though it's fun, it's quick, and it's easy enough to build out on a weekend while watching your favorite Harry Potter moment. And of course, we have this unique to the scene play motion that lets you raise Voldemort up. Don't forget, if you want to win your very own Harry Potter Lego set, be sure to head down below in the comments and let me know your favorite Harry Potter moment and your favorite Harry Potter memory. Then after you leave your comment, be sure to click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on who's going to be that lucky winner for their very own Harry Potter Lego set. Alrighty, well I'm going to go. I got to edit this video, I got to get it up so I can start going through all the Harry Potter comments and picking a winner or two. I also got to find a place to put this in the office. I'm running out of space. Maybe a cup of coffee will help. Maybe watching the Goblet of Fire again. But I hope you're all enjoying the day. And as always, I will see you on the next video very, very soon. Bye.